welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you this green smoky eye makeup with nude lip. And don't you think my skin is also looking hydrated and glowy? If you want to see how to get this look, keep watching. Preparing my skin with hydrating mist. This is very good for glow and hydration. I'm using Biotic Morning Nectar Moisturizer. This is what I use every day. And as you know, without primer, I don't use any makeup on myself. And this primer is really good for oily to combination skin because it absorbs the oil and gives you hydration. This time I'm using Studio Sculpt Foundation. It has glossy finish, it is full coverage foundation, and this is perfect for my look. And I'm mixing two shades, NC40 and 42 for me, because NC42 if I apply feel very yellow on my face and 40 looks slightly grey. So I'm mixing these two shades, and you can also mix as per your complexion. I want to brighten up my complexion. For that I'm using this MAC Prep and Prime Light Boost Highlighter only in the center of the face. Don't be confused between matte and shiny highlighters. Matte highlighters are meant to brighten up the complexion, and shiny highlighter is to give the shine on the cheekbone. To set my base and reduce the extra shine, I'm using Studio Fix Compact only in the center of the face because center portion produces the oil, and if you apply all over your face this compact, the face looks very powdery. This is the Pro Concealer Palette Dark, which I'm going to use for contour. As you can see, I'm using two shades. From the same concealer palette, I'm using a slightly lighter shade as an eye base and apply the compact all over your eyelid. This is 224 fluffy brush, which I'm gonna use to apply eyeshadow all over my eyelid. Second transition color is Embark, which is in matte finish brown color, and I'm using 217 to apply this eyeshadow only in the outer corner of the eyes. I'm using this green eyeshadow only in the center of the eyelid with flat brush, and I know this color is not looking like green at all, but trust me, this is combination of gray and green. You can say grayish green. I can't live without this product, that is Deep Dark Brunette Eyebrow Gel. I use every day, trust me, because this is closer to my hair color, looks natural, long wearing, easy to use, and I'm using angular brush to apply this product. Quickly contouring my nose as well with 190 Foundation Flat Applicator. And I'm using limited edition Mischief Minx eyeshadow palette, which has an amazing highlighter. Apply this highlighter on the cheekbone, on the nose and cupid bow. If you want, you can use under the brow bone as well, but I'm not using for myself. Lip and cheek color, wow, what a great product. You can use it for blusher and for your lips also. Since this is a limited edition product, you can use any creamy blusher for this look. Can you see how easy to apply this product with fingertip? If you don't have brush, that's absolutely fine. This is a navy blue kajal pencil which I am using on my waterline. My lips are chapped, that's why I'm using this lip conditioner. I'm using a plum lip pencil all over my lip. I'm using liquid lipstick which has a brush. That's why I like to use these lipsticks because they are very easy. Just want to complete my look with this gloss. Thank you for watching me. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much once again. Bye bye and see you soon.